Okay, guys, sorry it's late for your menu, but I was having problems with Brainpop today. So here is how you're going to get to Brainpop. You're going to go to Clever. Mrs. Rushoff needs to spell it, right? Okay, then you're going to log in. All right, then once you get to the page, you're going to go to Brainpop Junior, and then you will be on, mine says K. Rushoff because that's me, but yours will have your name because you've logged into Clever. Then you're going to go to your dashboard and your assignments will be right down here. And your assignment today is making observations. So that's what you will do. Okay.